Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve two problems based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most scoring portion also, as it only requires your basic mathematical and numerical skills. Mathematical skills like from the mathematical knowledge from class 6 to class 10. So it is pretty much easy to get a good score in this portion, and this helps you to increase your total score also. So let's start with the first problem. Let's see what is in this question. If the cost price of 15 tables be equal to the selling price of 20 tables, we need to find the lost percentage. So starting the solution. By the question, the cost price of 15 table be equal to the selling price of 20 table. Now assume that the cost price per table is X rupees and the selling price per table is Y rupees. Therefore, we can say that 15x is equals to 20y by the question. Hence, the value of x is 20y divided by 15, that is 4y by 3. Okay. Now we need to find the loss percentage. Now loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Now here the cost price of 15 table is 15x and the selling price of 15 table is 15y, or we can write 15 into x minus y. Therefore, the loss percentage is 15 into x minus y over the cost price, that means 15x into 100. So 15 cancels out and we know that x is equals to 4y by 3, or we can write y is equals to 3x by 4. So we have x minus 3x by 4 divided by x into 100, which results in 4x minus 3x divided by 4, that means x by 4x into 100. X cancel out and we get 25 as percentage. So the required loss percentage is 25%. Hence option C is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. Cos square theta divided by cot square theta minus cos square theta equals to 3, where theta is in between 0 to 90 degree. Then we need to find the value of theta. Okay. So by the question, cos square theta divided by cot square theta minus cos square theta is equals to 3, where theta is in between 0 degree to 90 degree. Now we can write cos square theta divided by cos square theta divided by sin square theta, as we know that cot theta is equals to cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos square theta is equals to 3. Therefore cos square theta divided by cos square theta multiplied by 1 by sine square theta minus 1 is equals to 3. Hence cos square theta cancels out. So we get sine square theta divided by 1 minus sine square theta, that means cos square theta, which is equals to 3. Hence tan square theta is equals to 3. Hence tan theta is equals to root 3. Therefore theta is equals to tan inverse root 3, and that means pi by 3 or 60 degree, as theta is in between 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, so our required answer is 60 degree, hence option C is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these two numbers 9836793076 or 9874822756, and for further details you also can check our website, which is www.sortofsucclasses.com. Thank you very much.